So they eat with hands, I eat with spoon.
That's bullshit.
Oh yeah, guys, eat with your hands. It's gonna be so much fun. But I'm not gonna use it. I don't wanna get dirty.
like look my hands like hey.
Alright guys, so I want to explain you. This is yellow rice. So what you see, because that's why the rice looks yellow. Let's do it.
It's not rice. That's yellow rice.
I mean it's
yellow. It's the rice. So the vegetables. Okay.
I mean it's made from I mean it's made from turmeric, if you know turmeric.
Yeah, turmeric.
Yeah, we have it in some beverages for like the very healthy beverages like you find in the store. It's made from that.
So it's turmeric, so what do I do after I finish my food with my fingers?
You wash.
Does it come off easy?
The color?
Yeah.
We will see. I think it can sometimes stay. It should be okay. This is the rice and this is noodle. We always eat it like that. And this is typical breakfast food for Indonesian. Can you imagine? Yes. Now, yellow rice.
Wait, what? Wait. So you eat like fried chicken?
Exactly.
In the breakfast? How good you can be.
Yeah, so we eat it really for breakfast, like as Basti his experience. Like my dad always brought us yellow rice when we were in Indonesia, and he was like, oh my god, it's 8 o'clock. I cannot eat rice at 8 o'clock in the morning. And yeah, this is the crunchy like chips, and then this is tempe and a bit like peanuts. So okay, enjoy guys.
Let's go for it.
Go for it.
Okay, let me go for this.
Jadi mereka makan pakai tangan. Kita lihat siapa yang udah pintar, siapa yang masih tetap susah makan pakai tangannya.
By the way, I still don't know how to eat it with my hands. Namanya noodles. Noodles is good.
You like the noodle?
I like any kind of noodles.
Oh, okay, you're a noodle person like Basti.
Especially fried noodles. The best. So this is like breakfast.
This is a breakfast, yeah.
Like the beginning of a wonderful day.
What?
Like fried chicken in the Monday morning.
Perfect.
You're gonna be ready for it.
It's a really heavy.
It is
It's a
heavy
heavy
breakfast. Yeah, it is. You like this, the chips, the crunchy one? This Indonesia loves that. We always eat everything with that crunchy chips.
This meal is much better than the first one.
The which one? That it is.
The way we done in the last meal, this is much better.
Okay, yeah.
This is improvement.
I guess. I will just see how this guy eating his rice. Is it still the barbarian way? Oh my god, yeah.
See? Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Oh, clever. It's thick, yeah. Nice. David is really like Indonesian now. He knows how to do it. Nate, are you using your finger as chopsticks?
Yeah. Actually, you can use the chips like as a spoon or something.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, I'm using drumsticks as chopsticks. Good.
Yeah, so Nathaniel, now you're doing it as well.
This is breakfast. I'm so surprised it's breakfast.
Mind blowing now?
It's so mind blowing.
Yeah.
Because like thinking about it, like you're eating this thing,
For
then
break.
you should go work out after. I'm gonna like skip workout today.
Yeah, just laying down and dreaming.
It's okay.
More?
Yeah, Basti always like when it's spicy.
No, fuck it. I regret my decision back then in the last video.
Basti makan pakai.
Oh, put this thing with like rice. It's kind of like, oh my god. And take like
You don't like that?
wow. See?
You don't like what?
The onions.
Oh, okay, you don't like the onions.
So like it's kind of funny to do it like this way, but like
Yes,
oh,
sir.
and then you can put like okay, so this is a taco right now. And then put like some of this thing, some of this,
what do you do with the finger?
and then put like some of this thing right here,
Oh my god, Tiago.
and then like you get some
So yeah,
of this thing.
Alright, drank quite a lot before we went to
See?
Indonesia for the first time.
And then,
with
like-
her parents, because I knew they expected to eat with hands, so I didn't want to look stupid or like unexperienced.
Tiago, he should try to do Indonesian. Oh my god, Tiago, you should really learn the Indonesian way. But it works, then it's good because it's sticky, right?
And I think you should do like this way, right?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yay! Finally! But I know you prefer the other stuff.
Yeah, because I'm
Well
like,
done. So what do you say about the yellow rice?
it's good. Like paella.
Paella?
Yeah,
Oh, paella is, this Spanish.
yeah,
Spanish seafood.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Oh,
rice.
yeah,
That's why-
yeah.
Dave, are you only eating the noodles? Seems like you really enjoy the noodles. I still have much
I'm
there.
enjoying it. You have more?
Yeah.
Okay. Put some dish together right here. Oh, okay. I'm gonna make a burger. Dude, I wanna go to Indonesia. Like, now, like, eat like this like every day on breakfast. This is amazing.
Go for it.
It's just like,
Is it actually that you eat like one bite of rice and one bite of noodles and one bite of egg, or do you like mix it all together?
Yeah, so you mix the rice with the sauce and then all together and you eat it. So that's how Indonesian works. And yeah, you put all in the one.
so do you mix it like Tiago?
Kind of like, yeah, what he's doing, but like with properly eating.
Okay.
So she cooked that.
Yes, thank you so much.
No, you're doing
No, it was
great.
basically her mother.
Thank
Like,
you.
I think she didn't cook a single time in Indonesia.
Never. I never cook. I told him. But we bought in Indonesia. Like there's so many people selling nice food, so we don't want to bother to cook. Especially me. My mom cooked. Oh, I'm happy that you like the yellow rice.
It's so good.
Yeah?
Great, yeah.
I like this though. I could eat this as breakfast. Right?
It's like a mind blowing for Tiago. Eating this for breakfast.
Like fried chicken and breakfast, dude.
Dude, I will go for it.
I would go for it. Rice, fried chicken, noodles every day. Jesus Christ! I mean,
It's like living in a paradise, eh? Living a dream.
living the dream.
Well, Alex is hungry. You want more, Alex?
No.
Oh. You don't want your chicken? Tiago loves the chicken.
I love chicken.
David, I should say you eat really like Indonesian.
Do I?
Yeah, you like you eat with your mouth. I feel like Indonesian do it like that. I know, like for European people, it's
Are we gonna do it?
yeah, it's not polite, right? You don't eat like that. But Indonesia, yeah, when it's delicious, like you eat like that.
I can do that.
I believe you.
Oh. I always forget there's like peanuts. So every time I see the peanuts, I'm like,
What is
oh,
that?
there's peanuts. Yeah. I just remember I saw that amazing movie called Kuntilanak.
Uh-huh. Right.
Yeah. I just watched it on Netflix and it was really good. I feel like
It's like an old movie one, or?
no, it was kind of like newish. There was some kids like living in a house, and then there was the ghost in the mirror called kuntilanak.
Yes, that's Indonesian ghost.
Yeah, but it was scary and funny at the same time.
Right?
I really enjoyed that movie.
Oh,
It was
on Netflix. We need to check on Netflix. Sayang.
cool. Definitely.
Yeah. I'm curious who is the player. But yeah, we got a lot of Indonesian horror movie, and I know for some
Really?
people who are not used to it will see it funny, but it's something that can be really scary though.
I didn't know that he was Indonesian, but like then I was curious about the language, so I found out it's Indonesian.
Oh, okay. Cool.